What's up? Yes, I'm still at Busch Gardens and it's like 4 o'clock and yeah. It's kinda raining outside, so we're stuck under this multicolored tent. Multicolored tent! How are your thoughts, buddy?
Trying to put new shoes on.
Oh yeah, her shoes broke, see? Which one broke?
With this one.
See? Broke. Do you hear that pitter patter? That's the freaking rain on the multicolored tent. It's lightning like lightning. It is lightning like nobody's business over here, man. And like my mom, she's coming to pick us up and it's pouring outside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is terrible. This is terrible! It is not safe! I have to go!